Hello, and in this tutorial on type, I'm going to show you how we can use the warp features. So I have my name typed here. I've got it set to a color that I want it to be. Position it a little bit. But I can do some certain effects to it so that it's not just simply text on a simple baseline. The layer selected, and we're going to duplicate this in case I don't like what I do. I'm going to click on my type tool, and up here at the top you'll see this type letter with a little curved line under it. If I click on that, it will give me the warp features. Right now it's set to none, but if I click on none, you'll see that it gives you a lot of different ways that you can distort the type in a creative manner. We'll just select arc for now so that you can see what it does. I can adjust the degree of the bend, or I can change the text so that it's a different shape. These create some really interesting and neat looking effects, but I have to warn you that you don't want to distort your text so much that people can't read what it says. So just be careful when you're using these that you don't distort your text so much that people can't read what it actually says. Remember, in Photoshop, less is more sometimes. When you have whatever effect that you want done, click OK, and your text changes to show that an effect has been applied. Just as I showed in a previous demo, if I wanted to transform this further, I can't because it's still considered editable type. However, it does give me the warp feature because I used the warp tool on it. So if I wanted to distort this in perspective, then I would have to rasterize the type. This only works, or rather I should say, this warp feature will only work on editable type. Once I rasterize the type, that even with the type tool selected, you can see that that feature is grayed out. So this is how we use the type warp tools in Photoshop.